Hi friends, it's that season, right? We're going to start coloring our Easter eggs and hard-boiled eggs so that kids can color their eggs. Now, if you're having a hard time with your eggs coming out perfect every time, maybe sometimes they're undercooked, maybe they're overcooked. Now, one tip to note, they are overcooked if your yolk has that yellowish or that greenish blue tinge to the yolk. That means it's overcooked and you're missing out on a lot. So I have a method that I use that gives you a delicious creamy yolk, perfectly cooked, and also the shells are easy to remove with this method. No losing a lot of the egg white. If you've made hard-boiled eggs for egg salad, deviled eggs, it's so frustrating when you're trying to get the shell off and you just butcher the egg white, right? So go ahead and go ahead and subscribe. You'll be able to get that video. I just posted it on hard-boiled eggs for the perfect hard-boiled eggs, easy to peel. And then in that, with making hard-boiled eggs, we're going to be making some deviled eggs, right? We serve that a lot at Easter time, so you'll want to catch that video if you want a deviled egg with a little bit different twist. I add some horseradish and chive to that, and they turned out really nice. And they're not over spicy, but just enough like, ooh, what is that? So go ahead and catch that. So go ahead and subscribe to Back to Home with Doreen so that you can catch those latest videos. And we're doing some videos on some different Easter dishes. Got a fun appetizer that you don't want to miss. That it's a stuffed crescent roll. We've got a savory and a sweet. Um, with savory and sweet fillings for those crescent roll, and they're shaped like carrots. They are so cute. So we got a lot of things going on for Easter, and I hope to see you there. No eggs were cracked in the recording of this video.